tell you.
Well, I'm a fan too, and part of the reason I wanted to have you on the show is
it's either been a week or it's been 9 years.
Back in the days, right? So that was like my online.
Out there, I just kind of lap it up. Like
I fell in love with Bruce Lee, and he played Kato.
in almost a choreographed barging in on anything. I know how busy you guys can get.
No, it's a pleasure.
There's because of Bruce Lee, who I'm sure you like.
And push it out into the toilet.
Yeah, the whole push out. Now, what? You're a big proponent of media.
It's kind of somebody who does that sort of thing.
I'm eating all the healthy things my wife is making for me lately. We've been on.
Just look like, you know, like a fresh penny. A woman who, by the way, you just look like $1 million.
It was like my online sobriquet on YouTube back in the days.
The Ponzi sauce.
I find them too mushu.
Yeah.
Your hair, by the way, since we've started, your hair has started to move around.
Wrap it up like I'm just kind of.
Have to do with the fourth.
I have five suede jackets and 4.
So you are. I heard that you are also.
You got your what are you eating there?
Yo, look who I'm with. No, what's that the fuck you mean? Do you see Young Fly?
Yes, sir.
Yo, you were the prime antagonist. Let me make sure I look. How do I look? I look good, huh?
Atelston, Fitzgerald, Holder the First.
Yes, sir.
And you're
How do I look? I look good, huh?
Which is meat. You know, you can eat it every day.
I'm seeing you sideways right now.
Okay, how is this? Better?
Is that better? I have to introduce you because you're. Yeah, man, I haven't seen you in a while. How long's it been? How long's it been? I haven't seen you in a while.
Fell in love with Bruce Lee, and he played Kato.
Yeah. Did you know that Kato is actually the name of a Native American tribe?
Don't tell me, I don't know.
Ever done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares because it was right around when things were a little gray, if you will. And someone said, "This
World-renowned, best-selling author.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right? Been in over 150 movies.
Yeah. In for Jeff, and I'm interviewing a woman who, by the way, you just look like $1 million.
I'm the one interviewing you.
I'm down. No.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow.
Wow. Wow. How you doing, man?
Hey, Jimmy.
It's good to see you, Russell Peters, man.
My friends call me the Teeb, and that includes you. Today, I'm filling in for...
What did I do?
Sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest at this particular time.
Tell me about the
So you have
I know something. I mean,
we have inferential, we have subjective.
Look, I don't know anything about a ladle. I know what it is.
You were the prime. I beg your pardon.
Let's explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about solipsism.
And it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless.
And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
Good. Should I pop a good mic on here?
You sound great. You got your, what are you eating there?
Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes.
I'm eating all the healthy things my wife is making for me lately. We've been on what I call the we've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened a number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that. Yeah.
You have to let me ask the question.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence.
Now, if Pitbull would be a Pitsu.
How do they know which name goes first?
Go.
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
Please showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Yeah, I became infatuated with art. You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
But you have to follow different laws.